Assalamualaikum and good day. My name is Nur Atira Binti Ahmad. Representative from Group 12 will present our case study, which is UTM Laundry Shop Uni Laundry Arcade Lestari K9. So, meet our team, Johnny Chen Ziwei, Kari Ikwan bin Kari Nizam, Nur Aina Nabila binti Ibrahim, and Nur Atira binti Ahmad. So, this is table of content, which consists introduction, methodology, data collection, data analysis, and discussion and conclusion. So, the background of the study, opening a laundromat in a university can be a great opportunity due high concentration of students in one location. So, limited space for drying clothes and the rainy weather can make a laundromat service in high demand. So operation research could be applied in real-life situation to achieve the target objective. So we have two objectives of the project. First, to find the best location to open a new franchise self-laundry shop. Second, to apply analytical hierarchy process (AHP) to help in selecting the alternative that best meet the decision criteria. So this is our project scope. This case study is this case study location will be selected around University Technology Malaysia or around Taman University. So we want to identify the best location that should be selected for the new franchise of Coin Laundry Service based on the AHP process. So this is our assumption and limitation. First, we assume that the collected data are accurate and do not consist of any errors such as human errors. And second, we assume that the data collected is not biased as we collect the data manually. So this is our methodology. There are a few steps involved in the project. So it has more accessible access to the public and is within our team member reach. So less time is consumed in the data collection process. We will also study based on the collected data to choose the best laundromat location. When we propose choosing a better locations for a new laundry shop by collecting surveys regarding the UTM residents' demand. And finally, the decision-making process will be based on the analytical hierarchy process result. So usually we will do the data collection by uh, do the survey or questionnaire through the Google form. So this is our data collection for analytical hierarchy process. A total of 29 responses have been collected using the Google form and the data was formed in a chart for further analysis. The first rounds of data collecting included questions about how often they use the laundrettes and what service they often utilize and how frequently they use them and where they prefer to use the service. So based on the result, there are 25.8% of students use the laundromat service. And the laundry service that they usually use is both, which is washing and drying service. And how often they use the laundry service is once a week with 55.2%. So how often where they often use the laundry is at their own college, which 37.9%, and which of the laundromat are new with the resident is Arcade Chengal and Arcade Lestari. Okay, this is the result for the best amenities or nearby amenities. So each respondent is able to select three options for below each type of question based on the priority where option 1 is their most preferred and followed by option 2 and option 3. So as the result, the best amenities for the option 1 is kindergarten, followed by kindergarten for option 2, and also option 3 is KTF. So for the safety issues or criteria, the best security like safe to walk at night and good illumination, they prefer for option 1 is KTR. Option 2 is equally prefer kindergarten with KRP. And also for the third option is KTF. So if given the opportunity to have laundromat near with the college, the location that they prefer is based on their priorities or most preferred. So the potential customer for option 1 is KDSE, option 2 KRP, option 3 is KTR. And for the distance of new location of laundromat with respondents hotel, based on their option, based on their priority, for the option 1 is KDSE, option 2 KRP and KTR is equally preferred, and option 3 is KTR. And last but not least, the transportation issue, where the location near with their college, based on their priority, is option 1 KDSE, option 2 same goes like before, KRP and KTR is equally preferred, and option 3 is KTR.
Greetings to Doctor. My name is Nora Ainabila. I will be presenting on data analysis. The pairwise comparison matrix for each criterion, which included customer market, location, safety, and amenities, are formed to select the alternative that best meets the decision criteria. So in the slide shows that the numeric value for the each preference level for the pairwise comparison. For the next slide, this is the pairwise comparison matrix for the customer market, location-wise, safety-wise, and amenities. So in the next slide, from the comparison shows before, we convert it into probability using the formula P equal to X over total times 1. So when we got the probability for the each criterion based on the from each side, so we will get the row average. So the total row average will be equal to 1. Same goes to the location, safety, and amenities. So from the normalized matrix for the each criteria, we will form it into the matrix. So here we have the table for the criteria preference matrix based on the customer market criterion, location, safety, and amenities for the each site. So from here, we will get the average for the each criterion. So we have customer market with average of 0.2075. For location, we have 0.3789. And for the safety, we have 0.2203. And lastly, amenities, we have 0.1933. And then here we have the overall score for the each site. So for KDSE, we have 0.2994, KDOJ 0.0585, College Perdana 0.2407, KRP 0.15090, and lastly KTR 0.2425. And same like previous calculation, we will get the total overall score equal to 1. So for the discussion, 37.9% of residents frequently do laundry at their respective college since it's near to them. Kindergarten, which own the Arcade Lestari, follows the ranking with a value of 31%. And 51.7% of UTM residents usually use the washing and drying service at the laundromat. 55.2% of them use the laundromat at least once a week. Okay, for the next one is we chose the location. We chose the best option of the college with the best amenities. For the first college, we have K9 K10, followed by College Rahman Putra, and lastly College Perdana. For the best security, in terms of the safety category, we have College Tun Razak because it has the best illumination and safe to walk at night, especially. And next followed by K9 K10 and KTF. KDSE was the best option for the new location based on the 29 respondents. Next is KRP and lastly KTR. So the location, which is KDSE, is compared with other locations. I mean the location for the each college is compared with other location and decide which one it prefers according to the customer market, location, safety and amenities. As a result, we obtain from the analysis, AHP analysis, KDSE is chosen as the best location for the new laundromat, with KTR as the second, and lastly, and the third one is College Perdana. In conclusion, KDSE is chosen as the best location for the new laundromat, since KDSE received the highest overall score through the analysis. Um, some possible weakness or errors from the analysis such as less accuracy, human error during data collection and others. So for this case study, we only obtain result based on 29 respondents only, based on the questionnaires, which is not really enough to give strong evidence to support the result. Hence, we need more. We need actually more responses and surveys that should be conducted to the UTM students to increase the result accuracy. That's all from me. Thank you.